Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this nice looking earbuds. It is called O5. This is the second generation, which is released by a company called Mifo. It is inexpensive, but again, this will take your listening to music to another level. Not only that, the actual docking station can also charge your phone, as I'm showing you right now. I do not want to forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family, and make sure you click the notification icon, select all, in order to get notified once we have a new video out. On top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We'll have to help you out ASAP. And don't forget to click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos quickly with a little more detail every time. So here you go. This is how the box really looks. And once you go around it, it has some information in the back, which we will cover in this video. And once we open up and take the slider out, the case looks really nice. And once we open it, here how inside of it looks, you have docking station in the bottom, and then on the top part of it where is a little box, it has more information on it. Here are all the components inside of the box. It comes with this little box, and once you flip it and open it, inside of it, all the components that are part of this part is, it comes with this user manual, and once you open it, it talks about everything that we're going to cover in this video, and then in the back you have it in a different language. Also comes with this charging wire, which is USB Type-C, and the other side is USB 2.0, and there's a USB Type-C extension which will be really good to charge your phones using the docking station. It also comes with some ear tips. I'm not going to open it, so this way you can replace them if your ear tips are going to be bigger or smaller. This is how you're going to be able to switch them and change them. And the docking station itself, it is designed really nicely. It has a really nice cut to it. Now going all the way around, this is really cool the way that they have designed it. Alright, so you can see from the front you have a little part that you can open, and once you open it, the hinge is really nicely done too, so that way when you have it totally open, it does not really hurt, and once you leave it, it makes that little noise, so it sits back. That's not the only thing. On one side you're going to see your USB Type-C connection, and then the little LED indicator. Now going on the back, there's nothing here. Once you go to the bottom, it has some writings that will tell you how many volts it takes for input and output, so that way you can also use this to charge your phone. That's beautiful. But again, it doesn't have that much of battery, so please do not use a lot of it. This is good for emergency cases, and also has a little small IR code so you can scan and take advantage of it. Except that once you open it, here's the best part. When I was holding it like this and I was trying to see if earbuds fall, it does not fall. That's really cool. I really like that. And it also have little colors so you know which one is right, which one is left. And let's just take that out. Now the earbuds are also designed very nicely. You can see from the top that you have the little portion. This is the mic, and then you have the color so you know exactly right or left, and their logo is really nicely on top. And then if you look really closely above, you also have a little sensor, and then going around it, here's the charging part, and then the ear tip, so that goes inside of your ear. But it's really designed nicely. When you want to fit it inside of your ear, it fits nicely, and it doesn't look really bulky or like the other earbuds that sticks out. This really fits inside of your ear perfectly. Now same thing goes for the other side of it. The same type of scenario. You have the little mic and then the sensor on the top with the logo, and I have a different color. Now going to the sides of it, there's nothing there. But when you go here, this is the charging part, and then the earbud part that goes inside of your ear, and that's about it, and that fits nicely again. Alright, now it's time to pair the earbuds with the phone. So in that case, we will go on the top first, and we will click on the Bluetooth itself for a couple of seconds so it can come up. And if it's turned off, make sure it is turned on. That's number one. And then once it goes to, there you go, now it turned on. Now it's searching. So let's take one of our earbuds out. In this case, we will take this one out because that one is blinking on the top. And now it's stopped. And that way you should be able to find it on your phone, which is right over here. So if I select it, and it says 050, and you say OK, And there you go. Now it says that it is connected 100% for calls and audio. And you can have a little selecting on the top so you can make the volume go up and down. And I've said, let's test it out. Alright, so here's the earbud, and now we have to hold it properly. And if we tap one time or two times, it should pause just like that. And then when you tap it again, it should play it for you easily. So you know that the tap or the touch part of this works perfectly. You have to tap it twice, then it should pause, and you tap it again, and it should play. That's how easy it is to process your tasks, picking up calls and hanging up calls very, very easily using this earbuds. Alright, so now we will be testing to see exactly how it sounds. So right now it is directly from the camera. And now let's just click on record, and now it started using the earbuds that I have hooked up, both of them. And this is how clear it sounds when you are recording. And yes, once we switch it back to the camera, you can hear the difference. And once we go back, like right now, you can hear it that how good this picks up the noise. But I have to mention that the earbuds itself sitting in my ear, I can hear my sound just being very loud. And this is how good it really records everything so that we can get a better understanding. Alright, enough said, let's cut it out. I have to mention that the docking station itself is not only going to charge your phone, but when you're charging the docking station itself, it's not a fast charging. It will take its time to charge itself. But again, once you grab the charge, it will be able to recharge your earbuds at least 4 times. And the best part is the actual earbuds itself can hold the charge up to 150 hours. Yes, when you're not really using it, it will hold the charge very long. Not only that, it is going to be water resistant and sweat resistant, so that way when you want to go to work out, this will really be a good thing to wear, so that way it will fit your ear. But it has a really nice noise cancellation, so when you are going to wear it, remember for your surroundings. But if you want to listen to a beautiful bass music, this will do the job for you properly. Not only that, I have to mention that this is Bluetooth 5.2, so it will bring little more goodies than the other earbuds. As you can see, the quality of the earbuds are phenomenal. Not only that, docking station, once you put the earbuds inside of it and you have to flip it upside down and you want to shake it, it's not going to fall. The magnets inside of it is done really nicely too. Now the docking station is only going to be charged via USB Type-C connection, and no, it does not have a wireless charging. It makes sense why they made it this way. It is a little bulky, it is a little bit heavier side, and once you open the top, the lid itself also have a little hinge that will look like it's going to fall apart, but it doesn't. It's beautiful the way that they have designed it. And once you close it, you hear that noise. And that's what really stands out. Now, I don't want to forget, all of the information where you can order it from is going to be in the bottom of this video, except that I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment on the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is xctex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.